And what we got, boys? There we go. All right, right over there. See it? Oh, I got it. I got it. Okay, there we go. Perfect, perfect. Mm-hmm. Huh? Well, yeah. Oh, okay. The lightning moved on that side now. Okay. Hold for a second. Lightning's on that side now. Did I get that? Did I get that? Oh no. No, I didn't get. Okay, I missed some of that action. It's like it's not too far from us, but it's already 3 minutes on the clock. So it's close. It's like right on the Ontario side. Had a few severe thunderstorm warnings by London, Canada. Um, it's a perfect shot, perfect timing. I just want to record this storm. I don't think it's going to get any severe now. It was severe in Canada by London. Um, this this was near it. This was in the tornado watch zone by Ohio, but this ain't gonna be risk anytime sooner when it gets here. This is very small. I forgot what it means. I forgot what's the M word for it. I literally forgot what the M word for it. Micro. It's like a lower version. It's like it's super low version of saying, "Oh boy, it's on that side down there. It's over here. It's over here." It's like a low version saying like low severe. Hope you see that. It's pretty hard to see it on my camera's not so it's not good enough. I'm gonna buy a digital camera and then I'll edit from there because it'll have better lighting. You can't really see the clouds that well. I can see it real good in my vision. The camera vision is different. All right, so some of the clouds. Okay, so I believe half of the storm is heading to Toronto, which is down that way, which you probably seen a few lightning strikes. Others, the first time it was like by those trees over there by my street. Um, that storm is from the tornado watch, and they had this storm was severe. It's not severe no more. Yeah. What was that? All right, I'm back. Y'all join these lightning strikes. I know you probably want to see much better. I'll be getting better views than this real soon. Oh no, my camera's about to fall. No, please don't do it. No, no, no. Okay, we got this cloud moving right here. Guess this cloud right here. See this cloud right here? Yeah, you guys can see that now. You guys can see that. That right there. Cloud moving in right there. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, let me get this view right here, right here. Y'all can see this house right here. The camera ain't so dim, but you know what? I hope you guys like get it. I hope you guys get it. There's like, see this? You see these little lights going around? That's the clouds right there. Um, or this neighbor's house right here. And there's a lot of these clouds moving in. I would need to check Storm Shield so I can see what's that, but I. We'll go for a minute though. Yeah, we definitely want to go well with it though. All right. Next storm is getting. I think that storm is getting much closer now. What time is it? Okay, it's supposed to be a thunderstorms around 11:45, but they are beginning right now. They are beginning, but we don't have it yet. So, what's the bolt? Let me see. Oh shoot. Okay. Okay, there was a little bolt there. Okay, so there's a little bolt there. Okay, so um, let's see. Dang, my camera is so bad. What cars are moving in? Must be some rain at 12. I don't think. I definitely can't find that. Okay, there was lightning down that way. So there lightning go around us. Okay, so this thing passing. It's passing through us. It's passing us. It's passing us. I swear, we don't get no rain tonight. I swear I did not. Almost. Not the rain. There are rain. Okay, I know where it's at. It's right over there. The storm is on this side. Okay, so I know where's it at now. Okay, so this cloud is getting close. Okay, the lightning was just like right down this way. Because the lightning was like over there, but this tree right here, you guys see the tree. You see the trees. So there, you guys seen that. There's the storms on that side, right there where these clouds are right there. Right here. See this right here? Right, this little gray spot right here where my hand's circling around. That's a storm right there. And on this side, down, let's say down this way, we'll say. Okay, y'all seen that. Y'all seen that. That lightning right there. Y'all seen that. Y'all seen that lightning. It was like right down there. You got it again. We got it again. Okay, hold on. We'll put it right here. Put it right here. All right. This is good enough. Actually, no. I'm doing this so long. Let's say this is good. This good. Okay, this just stand. There we go. Okay, so okay, there it is. There's the cloud. There it is. There it is. There it is. It's right there. It's coming in now. Yeah, these little lights from Canada shining all over in the clouds too. I'm enjoying this big film. Can't wait to post this on YouTube. Hopefully it's good enough. I don't know. This my camera's too dim. It's not good enough. So hopefully this week. Hopefully this week I may be able to buy an additional camera. I got film these storms. I got one. We got another one coming on Sunday too. Supposed to be on this Sunday, and hopefully get to film that too. So I love watching lightning. I mean, I like filming storms though. Uh, yes. All right. What we got? What we got? What we got? Okay, so there's a few clouds moving through here. Okay, did you guys catch that lightning? Cause I see it. I seen it. Clouds getting so much closer. You guys can see it right there. Thank you very much for turning the light off. Now it's much better for my camera to catch this cloud. Thanks. Okay, that lane was like. Okay, hold on, hold. Okay, that lane was like right over here. Hold on, we got this. Hold on, let's just turn it. Oh, come on, bro. Let's push this like right over here. All right, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Oh, we got it. We got it. Turn just a little bit, like right here. A little more. Come on. A little more. A little more. Ain't gonna fall on me. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. All right, never mind. Wait, right here. We good. You got that lightning. What I think when I'm recording, it can't really give me any storm alerts. But this lightning is so close though, so okay, that could be the storm right there now. Y'all can probably see bits of it. You can't can see it because it's all dark. Um, hold, hold. No, no, see, I know, I'm watching. All right. But maybe we should just probably just go, if I just click off and just go live stream on it. Let's go live stream on the storm. We probably should just do that. We should just do that. Yeah. How much time do I have on it? Only got 95% of battery. All right, that cloud's getting so much closer now. Come on, get closer. What time is it? What time is it? Okay, it's 11:57 now. It's about to be Monday morning, my friends and family. It's about to be Monday morning. Oh, yo, I saw a firefly. I have not seen a fireflies in a very, very long time. The last time I seen a firefly was about like 7 years ago. I don't know. I have not seen fireflies in a long time. I just seen one just now, but you guys can see it in this camera though. That's why I think, let's say this week on Saturday I'll be able to buy a digital camera. Digital camera, right? Yeah, Saturday, because Sunday is gonna be a thunderstorm. Tuesday's supposed to be storming Tuesday too. It's supposed to be. I think that digital camera is like $100. I hope I can be able to get it. It's like $100 though. Hopefully I'll be able to get it though. Can't wait to get it. I'll record this. I'm gonna enjoy it. Oh, there's another firefly too. I seen another one. There were like two. Oh my god. Damn, okay, that one's bright. Damn. That looked like a power flash almost, but you see how the lightning just pop up like that? That was a weird part. That was a weird pop up. Okay, yeah, I got that in my film. I caught that. I caught that. It's kind of getting real close. It's like yeah, I know you guys probably. I was like, I need some subscribers. I got like 0 right now. I need some subscribers. I need someone to support me right now. I want to be known. I like filming storms. This is one of my favorite things I wanted to do. Oh boy. Let's go another storm. It's down that way. I know there's a few of them passing through. I think it's heading to Buffalo. Oh my god. And I'm not gonna lie, that storm is it's right behind that cloud right down there. Yeah, the little light that you guys are seeing behind the tree right there, above this window, above this house. You see the lightning down there. Behind that, there's a line. There's a line. Now you, let's see. Now you guys can't see my finger, but the other time you guys did, there's a little line, like between, like, above the trees, like the top of the tree up there. There's a little line underneath there. That's where the lightning is at. I believe that's where the storm heads is right there. I believe that's where the storm is at. It's over there where the lightning is at though. And it's moving this direction. So yeah, it's getting close. It's been 28 minutes, dang. Boys, patience, patience. Oh yeah, you guys seen that? Yeah, it got to be caught on camera there. I saw that lightning. That's getting so close. It's still too far away though. Let's see. Is it Monday morning now? Yep, it's 12:02 Monday morning. Was it today June or something? It's like I don't know. It's not June the 28th. I'll be too cap. I will be capping if I said that. Ain't no June the 28th. I swear, I swear, the way the lightning looks, it looks like power flashes. It really does. But I swear, it's getting hot right now. right. What we got? Dang, look at you see how the light? Do you see the like it glows? Like the lightning is glowing now. What? All right. Lightning is glowing now. It glows? Yo, there's gotta be power flashes. Oh, y'all seen that? Y'all seen that? Or fireflies? Rapid lightning over there. Let's go. Ongoing lightning. Let's go. Non-stop lightning. Let's go. Non-stop lightning. What we got here on the top? Remote notifications. Nothing. The storm must be getting much closer, so yeah, we're getting like this rapid lightning. Dang, look it, it's still going. Like, come on now, look at. You cannot tell me this storm is not severe, boy. Severe thunderstorms warning. Let me tell you guys, when you guys see lightning that's just so rapid, it just keeps flashing, 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 and flashing. Those are severe thunderstorms. Severe thunderstorms have rapid lightning. And scary, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Most of the time, severe thunderstorms do produce tornadoes. So, and I know you guys be wondering what our tornado watches are. Um, they're basically like keeping an eye on the clouds, most likely, but I don't know how to explain it. I mean, I really know how to. I know what it really means. I mean, I'm just not really good at explaining it. I'm not really good at explaining it, but you probably guys understand what I mean by it. Like seeing like there's any like rotation in the sky, like any rotation, any like spin ups. If you see like any circulation in the sky, in the like before the storm gets there, gets to you, so basically it's called a supercell thunderstorm. Tornado warnings, and severe thunderstorms most likely come in shelf clouds. Some tornadoes do spawn in shelf clouds. Wow, my camera's still going. Okay. Most of them spawn in supercell. Wow, that was a right one. Yeah, that storm is too far away from us right now. I should just go ahead and live stream it, boys. What do you guys think? I should just go ahead and live stream it? Cause I'm not gonna lie, I my digital camera ain't gonna last that long. So I'm gonna just go live with it. I'm gonna go live with the boys.